everybody, and I'm gonna be telling you how to make slime. Okay, first you're supposed to get measuring cups, and second you're supposed to get glue, and third you're supposed to get food coloring, any type of food coloring. I choose yellow and I choose blue. And you need a bowl and something that you can scoop with and stir with. Well, I'm not gonna use a bowl since my mom doesn't let me, so I'm gonna be just using the measuring cup. Okay, first you'll need glue. It's kind of hard, but I'm gonna do it with this. See how I'm putting it inside there? Okay, I just put it a little bit. Next, what you'll need is salt. It doesn't really matter how much salt you'll get, but it matters how hard you want it. So you just want to put the salt inside there. Okay, it's inside there already. See? Okay. Now you'll mix that up. I'm gonna use a pen. Okay, you mix it up. It's supposed to be like this. Kind of hard already, like a slime. Just start mixing it up and up until you see it slimy. Next, if you want to put a little bit of food coloring, I choose yellow, like yellow, and I chose blue. This is how the yellow's coming out, and I'm putting the blue right now. Okay, next you can stir it for right now. Almost done. There. It came out like this, and usually it's supposed to come out like this. Okay, so you can see it a little bit closer. This is how it is. Circle slime. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay, if you want it a little bit softer, you can add a little bit of more glue. Just tap on it if you don't have more. And I already put it more glue, which is right here. Which I'm gonna mix it again because mine is kind of hard. Okay, it came out like this now. Well, that's how you make slime. Thank you. If you like that, thumbs up. If you want me to make more slime videos, thumbs up. Bye.